How to insert colored line in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can use the your desired color in your line in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay, so I'm on my page. So just keep cursor where you want to insert the horizontal line. Okay, so in Google Docs there is one option to insert a horizontal line, but when you insert it, so you can see there is no any option to make it colored. Okay, so you not able to insert any color on this line. So it is by default black, and you can also you're not able to change the thickness and all. So I'll show you the best way. The first way, you can use that the border option or shading option. Just keep the cursor you want to insert. Now go to the format and go to the paragraph and style and go to the borders and shadings and use this option, which is down your bottom line, or you can say bottom border. You can change the width. It is by default 1, but if you make it 0.5, you can also change the style dot 8, and by default from here you can change the color. Okay, you can also change the background color if you want and apply it. It will be apply like this. And another option, you can use the drawing option. If you want to delete it, just keep the cursor on starting, go to the format, go to the paragraphs, go to the border and shading, and you have to just reset it. It will be delete. The another option you can use in Google Docs, which is drawing. Go to the new, select the first line option, hit the shift key and hold it, and now you have to drag the line. So when you drag line while holding the shift key, it will become straight. So from here you can change color. From here you can change color, you can change thickness, you can also change the style if you want. Make save and close. It will be inserted like this. You can also change the size from here. Okay, don't change size from here. If you want to change anything, just double click on it, then the drawing will be open again. Now you can change the size from here. Hold the shift key and change the size and insert it. It will be inserted. So that is how you can insert the colored line or horizontal line in Google Docs. Thank you for watching.